Are you ready to take control of your business?
The DriveShop Business Analysis, or an SBA, is the diagnostic tool you need to identify both the strengths and weaknesses in your auto, truck, collision shop, or tow business.
Through this service, we'll discover your shop's root problems and help you increase both your efficiency and profitability. With our team of industry leaders, we'll help you find solutions to every problem area in your business.
Step 1. We will collect some basic business data from you through our shop analysis tool, a quick survey that covers 6 different areas, including sales, marketing, ownership issues, finance, efficiency, and employee management. Once you've sent the information back to Drive, we can start forming your unique SBA.
Step 2. You'll receive a phone call from one of Drive's representatives to go over your business's more in-depth information. This includes your marketing, employees, production, pricing, and profitability. We'll then schedule your one-on-one interview.
Step 3. At this point, you'll receive a customized checklist to help walk you through this step. Along with that, we'll conduct a visual inspection of your shop through photographs, which you can take on any smartphone or tablet.
Finally, with all of the information you've provided, our team can pinpoint what exact steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Each point will be covered during your final meeting through an individualized presentation, detailing how you could specifically improve your business.
Whether you're a new shop owner or you're trying to take your shop to the next level,
Drive can help you get the right tools, training, and management knowledge you need to reach the future you've always dreamed of.